What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel today. You're going to be seeing Pops doing some finish welding on Uncle Randy's Jeep Pumpkin. Also finishing up the dash in the Toyota. Get to do some welding on that. Right here I'm putting in a new high beam indicator and left and right blinker indicators. So, enjoy the show.
I mean, it's close enough to my eyeballs, can't tell the difference.
Yeah, I mean, it looks fine to me. Find the calipers?
You know what?
Of course, they're
Let's
old
throw a
school.
party this year for the big game.
They don't tell you how. They don't tell you what it is.
But
You have to
first, we
think
should
about
get a
it.
new TV.
Like one of the top-rated brands, Samsung, LG, or Sony.
Okay, so I'll start shopping on the internet, then head over to the warehouse club to compare.
But if that's all we do, we'll be sorry.
Why?
What's up, guys? All right, so I kind of dropped the ball here. I meant to, you know, put the dash in the truck, all the gauges in it, all the switches, and take another video of it so y'all could see it in there in this same video. But I took that video on my phone because my GoPro died, and I can't get it off my phone onto the computer because my computer's having issues. So I did my best. This is what you guys get. I will, however, add it from my phone, so I'll add it as like a short video or something like that, so you can see it in there, and it will look nice, and it's gonna be bitchin'. So thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. You know what to do.